Hey gearheads, Jay Leno here. Today we're diving into the captivating world of French cars. From their early beginnings to their innovative present, French cars have always held a unique place in automotive history. They're known for their distinctive designs, groundbreaking engineering, and a certain that sets them apart. France's contributions to the automotive world are significant. They were pioneers in the early days of automobiles, developing some of the first self-propelled vehicles. Over the decades, French manufacturers have consistently pushed boundaries, influencing car design and technology globally. So, buckle up as we take a ride through the fascinating history of French cars. Let's rewind to the 18th century, where it all began. Picture this. 1769, a French army engineer named Nicolas-Joseph Cugnot unveils a steam-powered tricycle. It's clunky, it's slow, but it's a game changer. This contraption, known as the fardier à vapeur, is considered by many to be the first true automobile. Cugnot's invention wasn't just a curiosity, it sparked a fire. It ignited the imaginations of other inventors and engineers across France, setting the stage for the development of the modern automobile. The French were hooked on the idea of self-propelled vehicles, and this early enthusiasm would shape the nation's automotive destiny. Fast forward to the late 19th century, and we see the emergence of familiar names: Peugeot and Renault. Armand Peugeot, already a successful industrialist, shifted his focus to automobiles in 1889. His company's first car, a three-wheeled steam-powered vehicle, debuted at the 1889 World's Fair in Paris. Meanwhile, Louis Renault, a young engineer with a passion for speed, built his first car in 1898. This small, innovative vehicle, equipped with a revolutionary direct-drive gearbox, impressed everyone who saw it. Renault's company quickly gained recognition for its technical prowess and focus on performance. Now, let's talk about André Citroën, a visionary engineer who changed the landscape of the automotive industry. He brought mass production and affordability to the forefront of the French auto industry, making cars accessible to the general public. In 1919, Citroën introduced the Type A, a car designed for the masses. This vehicle was a game changer. It was simple, reliable, and relatively inexpensive, making car ownership a reality for many. Families could now afford to own a car, which was previously a luxury. Citroën's innovative approach didn't stop there. He was always looking for new ways to improve and innovate. He understood the power of marketing and branding. Citroën was a pioneer in using creative advertising techniques. He used the Eiffel Tower as a giant billboard, illuminated with the Citroën name. This bold move captured the public's imagination. He organized expeditions across challenging terrains to showcase the durability of his vehicles. These expeditions were not just marketing stunts. They proved the reliability of Citroën cars. Citroën's strategies were revolutionary and helped establish Citroën as a household name. His legacy lives on in the cars we drive today, reminding us of the power of innovation and vision. Section 5. Post-war icons, the 2CV and 4CV. After World War II, France needed practical and affordable transportation. The country was rebuilding, and people needed reliable vehicles to get back to work and rebuild their lives. Enter the Citroën 2CV and the Renault 4CV. These two cars were designed to meet the needs of a recovering nation. The 2CV, affectionately nicknamed the Deux Chevaux or Two Horses, was designed to be a minimalist workhorse. It was built to be affordable, easy to maintain, and capable of handling rough rural roads. Its simple design and adaptable suspension made it perfect for navigating France's rural roads. The 2CV could carry a farmer's produce to market or a family on a countryside picnic with equal ease. The Renault 4CV, on the other hand, was a small, rear-engined car that offered practicality and fuel efficiency. It was designed to be a city car, nimble and easy to park in tight urban spaces. Both cars became symbols of post-war recovery and captured the hearts of the French people. They were not just modes of transportation, they were a testament to French ingenuity and resilience. They were more than just cars. They represented freedom, simplicity, and a touch of French quirkiness. The 2CV and 4CV became icons of a new era, embodying the spirit of a nation on the mend. Section 6. A touch of French luxury, Bugatti and beyond. While Citroën and Renault were making waves with affordable cars, other French manufacturers were focused on luxury and performance. Ettore Bugatti, an Italian-born engineer based in France, created some of the most beautiful and powerful cars the world had ever seen. Bugatti's creations, like the legendary Type 35 and the breathtaking Type 57 Atlantic, were masterpieces of engineering and design. These cars were renowned for their speed, elegance, and exclusivity. Bugatti's legacy continues to inspire awe and admiration among car enthusiasts today. Section 7. Setting trends. French flair in design and engineering. French cars have always been known for their distinctive style and innovative engineering. Their unique approach to design and technology has set them apart in the automotive world. From the aerodynamic designs of the 1930s, which were ahead of their time, to the futuristic Citroën DS of the 1950s, French cars have consistently pushed the envelope. French manufacturers weren't afraid to push boundaries. They embraced bold and unconventional ideas, often setting trends that other manufacturers would later follow. This willingness to innovate led to the creation of some of the most iconic and trend-setting vehicles in automotive history. French cars were not just about getting from point A to point B, they were about making a statement. The French focus on ride comfort and handling also influenced the global automotive industry. Their cars were designed to provide a smooth and enjoyable driving experience, which became a benchmark for others. Innovations like hydropneumatic suspension, pioneered by Citroën, provided an unparalleled smooth ride. This technology was revolutionary and showcased the French commitment to comfort and advanced engineering. French engineers were also early adopters of front-wheel drive, a layout that eventually became the industry standard for most passenger cars. This innovation improved vehicle handling and space efficiency. The adoption of front-wheel drive by French manufacturers marked a significant evolution in car design. It allowed for more interior space and better traction, especially in adverse weather conditions, setting a new standard in the industry. Section 8. Global collaborations, navigating the modern landscape. In the latter half of the 20th century, the global automotive landscape became increasingly competitive and dynamic. French manufacturers adapted by forming strategic partnerships and alliances. The PSA Group, formed in 1976, brought together Peugeot and Citroën, creating one of Europe's largest automakers. Renault, meanwhile, formed a successful alliance with Nissan in 1999, which later expanded to include Mitsubishi. These collaborations allowed French manufacturers to share resources, technologies, and market reach, ensuring their continued success in a globalized industry. Section 9. The Electric Avenue, driving towards a greener future. Today, the French automotive industry is at the forefront of the electric revolution. Renault, in particular, has been a pioneer in electric vehicles, with its popular Zoe model becoming one of the best-selling EVs in Europe. French manufacturers are investing heavily in research and development of electric and hybrid technologies. This commitment to sustainability aligns with France's broader environmental goals. The French government is actively promoting the adoption of electric vehicles through incentives and infrastructure development. French carmakers are well positioned to play a leading role in the transition to a more sustainable automotive future. Section 10. The enduring legacy of French automobiles. From the steam-powered creations of the 18th century to the sleek electric vehicles of today, French cars have left an indelible mark on automotive history. They've always been more than just machines. They're a reflection of French culture, ingenuity, and a passion for innovation. As we look to the future, one thing is certain: French cars will continue to surprise, delight, and inspire us with their unique blend of style, technology, and that certain that sets them apart. And that's something we can all appreciate, right? This is Jay Leno signing off from the garage.